In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into TikTok Shop Seller Center and set up your shipping and return addresses to ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. We'll walk through each step, making it simple and efficient so you can focus on growing your business. First, let's begin by logging into the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Open your web browser and navigate to the TikTok Shop Seller Center page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your TikTok account credentials. Make sure you have your login information handy, as you'll need your username and password to access the platform. If you're already logged into your TikTok account, you might be taken straight to the Seller Center. If not, just enter your details and click the sign in button. Now that you're inside the Seller Center, let's move on to setting up your shipping preferences. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, click on Settings to expand your options. Next, select Shipping and Fulfillment. In this section, you'll configure the critical aspects of your order processing, beginning with your pickup address. To set your pickup address, click on Pickup Address. This address can be your warehouse, store, or even your home address where you'll prepare your orders for dispatch. It's essential to enter accurate information here to avoid any disruptions in your fulfillment process. Additionally, ensure you fill in any necessary contact details such as your phone number and email address. This information is crucial to ensure carriers can easily reach you if needed, facilitating a seamless handover of your products. Once you've filled out all the required information, don't forget to save the changes to confirm your setup. Next, let's configure the return address. In the same shipping and fulfillment section, click on Return Address. Here, you'll input the address where you'd like your customers to send any returns. This part is fundamental in maintaining customer satisfaction, as a clear and straightforward return process can significantly enhance user experience. Just like with the pickup address, remember to include contact details that ensure smooth communication in case of any return issues. After entering all these details, save the changes to finalize your return address settings. And there you have it, you've successfully logged into the TikTok Shop Seller Center and set up both your shipping and return addresses. With these steps completed, you're now ready to handle orders more effectively, giving your customers the best possible service. Remember, keeping these details updated is key to maintaining a seamless experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your TikTok Shop Seller Center.